Good morning. Today is Sunday and it's 18 April 2021. We're having snow out there. Supposed to be rain, but I guess it's a little bit cold and we have snow instead of rain. And I will call this spring snow. Look at this tree, it's just right outside our living hall window. And it's all this flurries, like a drizzling of the rain. It's beautiful, not too cold.
Because he said it's the first time
Wow.
he'd been to America.
The bushes.
He had question. We had been told that he read Mark Twain, so we're right on the Mississippi River.
And
That
we're
was
taking
great. And he
from this
loved the
side
farmland and the openness
our
of
sliding
it
door.
all. China was just opening up,
And look at
we
this.
were eager to learn more from them.
It's all white,
Maybe them from us also.
just like in the heaven. It's all white. Okay.
当时当地的友好城市委员会特地安排他们住在 host family 家里，所以这是德沃切克
Okay
夫
guys,
特地为他们
ciao.
安排的一个。